Hello and welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be making eggless microwave cupcakes that do not need a mold. First, I found a recipe, which is not mine, from YouTube. I tried this recipe yesterday, so I kind of know what I'm doing, and I'm trying this all by myself, so yeah. First, I got all the ingredients, including chocolate powder, milk, sugar, salt, baking powder, and more. Then I got the cocoa powder and a bowl to mix in. And we have a surprise guest to say hello. Say hi. Now I'm taking the cocoa powder and adding about as much as my recipe needs. I made a total of 10 cupcakes, so I added about 5 big spoons. Then you take butter and you melt it for about 30 seconds. Once the butter is melted, you add it into your cocoa powder and you mix it well so there's no lumps. After you're done that, it should look like this. And after, you're gonna take milk, but you cannot add cold milk because then your cupcakes or your batter is gonna have lumps in them. So you're gonna microwave it for a little bit and then add sugar. As you know, I'm just using the lid because I like mine sweet. And you don't really need measurement. For sugar, you can just add as much as you want, but not too much. Then when you're mixing, it's going to look like that, and you're going to be like, did I mess up? But no. Then you're going to take your sifter and sift your flour. I added about 3 to 4 spoons of flour. After completely sifting the flour that you have, all that's going to be left of the sifter is the lumps. Then you're going to take a little bit of salt and a little bit, like maybe half a spoon of baking soda. Right now, I didn't have that much milk, so my recipe was not working out. Then I added milk, but still remember that your milk needs to be warm. If it's not, then the lumps are going to come back. And if your batter still does not feel right, you can add as much milk as you want. But make sure at the end it looks somewhat like this. I made as much to make 5 cupcakes, but then after, I decided to do more. Here I have my cupcake liners, and you should either double or triple, in this case, your cupcake liners. And when that's done, you're going to put in your cupcake carefully so the batter does not fall out, and add a 50 to 55 second of timer. These cupcakes are fast, but I would recommend only putting in one at a time. When they're finished, they look somewhat like this. They do come out steaming hot, so make sure you don't burn yourself, and all you need is a fork and poke it. If your fork comes out clean, your cupcake is ready. And after a lot of baking and a lot of cupcake liners, I'm finally done. And I have a large mess to clean. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And again, this is not my recipe, but it works.